Are you concerned about seeing your loved ones skip breakfast or rely on unhealthy options? This is a common issue, yet many people don't realize how closely our morning routines and nutritional choices are tied to mental health and overall efficiency, especially for seniors. A balanced breakfast sets the tone not only for energy, focus, and overall well-being, but also for emotional stability and cognitive function throughout the day. As we age, our nutritional needs evolve, and breakfast becomes even more important not just for physical health but also for supporting mental health. Seniors often face challenges such as reduced appetite, dietary restrictions related to heart health or diabetes, or limited mobility that makes cooking difficult. Living alone or lacking confidence in the kitchen can also lead to skipped meals or dependence on processed foods, both of which may contribute to decreased mental well-being and daily efficiency. Despite these obstacles, breakfast doesn't have to be complicated to be effective. Simple meals can provide essential nutrients without requiring much effort. Options like oatmeal topped with fruit, yogurt paired with granola, or whole grain toast with healthy fats can offer lasting energy, fiber, and protein to start the day right. Variety also helps keep breakfast appealing. Whole grains, fruits, and lean proteins are especially beneficial for seniors. A bowl of whole grain cereal with milk and banana, or a quick smoothie made with yogurt and frozen fruit, delivers important vitamins and minerals in an easy-to-consume form. One quick and nourishing option is avocado toast. Simply toast whole grain bread, spread mashed avocado on top, and add a sliced egg or a pinch of red pepper flakes for extra protein and flavor. It's colorful, heart-healthy, and simple to prepare. Other easy ideas include Greek yogurt with nuts and honey, overnight oats prepared the night before, or warm oatmeal with fresh fruit. In summary, a nutritious breakfast is one of the easiest ways seniors can support daily energy, strength, and long-term health. With practical, tasty options that require minimal preparation, eating well in the morning becomes achievable and enjoyable. You're watching HealthyBillien, and I want to thank you for stepping toward healthier living. What's your go-to breakfast? Share it in the comments below. Your idea could inspire others. For a head start on senior health, click the link below to discover my top recommended supplement. Take action for your well-being today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more easy health tips. Join our community, stay informed, and take charge of your morning routine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.